let's assemble the Cozy Coffin Wallet template. First off, let's attach our snaps. You're only going to attach them on one side. This is because it is hidden underneath your side card flaps. You want to thread your needle with a nice generous length of floss, nice big knot on the end. And I am starting, you can see where I'm starting from, that wee peak there. Add a touch of glue to hold your knot if you wish, and simply start stitching. You want to use a straight stitch all of the way around the edge, ensuring you insert all of your pieces as you go, like shown. Okay, so once you are all the way around with your last stitch left, you can choose to go back around again to create a solid stitch, or like I've done, I've just gone with the straight stitch. Take your needle through, not right through to the other side, but you want to come through underneath your card flap, and what I'm doing here is I'm making a loop, then I'm passing my needle back through and pulling it tight to create a knot. So you want to do this a couple of times, and then you simply trim your floss. Okay, so we're onto the wing now. I have made this so that you sew it separate from the main body. You, again, thread your floss with a nice big knot, touch glue underneath if you want to hold it in place, and stitch around the edge. Now, when you're starting your stitch, you will have a double stitch on the inside. You can see here. You won't see that. I've used red, so you don't see it on the red, but that's just so that I can continue using the straight stitch. If you are going to use a solid stitch, it wouldn't matter. Just stitch around one way and then back again. So I'm going to continue stitching around the edge. I've got one more stitch left here. You can see I'm going to do what I did before, which was take my stitch through the two pieces of faux. So you're then going to create the loop, knot twice, pull tight and trim, and that will hold it in place. If you ever think that your knot might be too small, remember just a touch of super glue to hold it in place. No one will see it, and it will keep everything secure. Okay, right, and now you want to attach the snap on the wing. Make sure it's the right way round for when it wraps around and attaches. I'm giving my press a good squeeze here. Now, something else I did notice once it was made up, that there is a wee gap at the top, and I thought what I might do is give you the option of adding 2 extra snaps so that when you close your wallet, then there's no chance of any of your cards falling out. But that is up to you if you choose to attach those. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Happy creating!